Hello kids, welcome to maths class. Today the topic of our learning is to learn word problems of addition, and the objective of our today's learning is to learn what are story sums and how to understand and solve them. Children, the thing which is to be kept in mind is that in addition story sums there are two things given, that is information and when you have to find something. From that information you will come to know that what you have to find. Now see, here there are 4 brinjals in a basket. 1, 2, 3, 4. And mother added 2 more brinjals in the basket. Now we have to find that how many total brinjals are there in the basket. Let us read the statement. There are 4 brinjals in the basket. Mother put 2 more brinjals in the basket. How many brinjals are there altogether? Now we will understand what information is given. There are 4 brinjals in the basket and mother put 2 more brinjals in the basket. This was the information which is given to us to solve the problem. Now we will see what we have to find. How many brinjals are there all together? Now children, we have to remember that whenever the word in all, altogether or totally are given in the statement, that simply means we are going to do the sum of addition. Whether it is a story problem or another problem sum, in all, altogether and totally will always be used in the sum of addition. Now we are going to do the sum. Now children, first information was there are 4 brinjals in the basket. Secondly, we were having that mother put 2 more brinjals in the basket. Now we will add because we were asked how many brinjals are there all together. 4 plus 2. Now after 4 we will count 2. 5, 6. So how many brinjals will be there in all together? 6. Let us see how. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 brinjals in the basket. Now we will practice the sums from your Magical Maths book.
Okay, children, now we are going to practice the sum which is given in your Magical Maths book. Since for example, Suman has 182 eggs. She bought 73 more eggs. How many eggs does she have in all? Now we will read the statement again. Suman has how many eggs? 182 eggs. And she bought how many more eggs? 73 eggs. Now what we have to find? How many eggs does she have in all? Children, as discussed before, that whenever total, in all or all together comes, that means this is the sum of addition. Now what we will do? First of all, Suman has 182 eggs. So we will write first of all place value table. Then 182. We will start writing from the right hand side. Now she bought 73 more eggs. Again we will start writing from right hand side. Now we don't have anything on hundreds place, so we will write 0 because 0 means nothing. Now as we know that this is the sum of addition, we will put plus sign. Now we will start adding. 2 plus 3. After 2 we have to count 3 more. After 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes? 5. Now we have to count after 8. We have to count 7 more. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what comes? 15. It is a 2 digit. So we will write it here. 5 cut down and 1 cut up. Now this is carry. So we will add carry first. 1 plus 1, 2. And 2. And 2 plus 0, 2. We will write 2 here. So What we have the answer? 255. Now children, what are we finding? How many eggs? Whatever we are finding, it will be given after how many in the statement sums or story sums. So we will write here 255 eggs in all. I hope I am clear. Now I will tell you how to make the statement. Now children, if you want to make the statement, you can draw these type of lines in your book also. Now let us read the statement first. Amit bought 624 red balls and 173 blue balls. What is given? Red balls and blue balls. You can also underline that. Now, how many balls? 624 red balls and 173 blue balls. How many balls did he buy in all? Now, first of all, we will write number of red balls because what is given? Red balls. First of all, we will write number of red balls. And we will put is equal to sign. How many? 624. And you know that we have to start writing from right hand side. Next is and 173 blue balls. So, second statement what it will be? Number of blue balls. And we will put is equal to sign. How many there are? 173. Start writing from back hand side. 173. And we are given in the statement in all. In all means this is the sum of plus. So what will be the last statement? We will write simply total and plus. Now 4 plus 3. After 4 count 3 more. 5, 6, 7. So what will we write? 7. And after 2 we will count 7 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 7, 9. And 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So what is the answer? 797. Now you have to see what were we finding. How many balls? Whatever is given after how many, we have to find that. Balls. So in answer we will write 797 balls in all.
We have this sum. Let us read the statement. Sonu sold 350 oranges, 152 apples and 223 bananas. How many fruits did Sonu sell all together? Now children, again we will see what information is there. Sonu sold 350 oranges, 152 apples and 223 bananas. This is our information. And second part is that what we have to find. How many fruits did Sonu sell all together? Now, what is given after how many? Fruits. So we will find how many fruits did Sonu sell all together. Now we will see how can we solve this sum on copy. Pay attention.
Okay children, as you have seen the statement, Sonu sold 350 oranges, 152 apples and 223 bananas. Now first of all, what you have to do, from the back hand side you have to leave 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to put is equal to, and there you have to put place value chart, ones, tens, hundreds. So on the first thing which we have is oranges. How many oranges? 350, and we will start writing from back side. 350 oranges. Now leave one line and again put is equal to. On second statement, second line is he sold 152 apples. Again we will write from the back hand side. This is 152. Again leave one line and put is equal to. Then he sold 223 bananas. Again start from the right side and write down 223. Now we will write the statement. Now Sonu sold 350 oranges. So what we will write? You have to make the statement. You can write numbers of oranges sold, or you can simply write oranges sold or Sonu sold oranges. So we will write Sonu sold oranges. How many? We have written 350. Now 152 apples. Sonu sold apples. Second statement will be Sonu sold apples. How many apples? 152. Next is he has sold bananas, 223. Sonu sold bananas. How many? 223. You have to see that your is equal to comes in one line and proper sum should be there. And last line was how many fruits does Sonu sold all together? As we know, all together means this is the sum of addition and we will write plus here. And here what should come? Total plus. Now we will add. First of all, we will add 0 plus 2 is 2 and 2 plus 3 is 5. This is quick addition. Next is 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So we can write 10 here. 5 plus 5, 10 and 10 plus 2, 11, 12. 12. Write 12 here. 2 cut down and 1 cut up. Now children, don't forget to add this carry. 1 plus 3 is 4. Write a small 4 here. Then 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Correct. Write a small 5 here. And 5 plus 2, 6, 7. What should you write? 7. Now total plus, what is the answer? 725. Now we will again go back to the statement and see what was asked. How many fruits? So you will again leave my line here and write down answer is equal to 725 fruits. Sonu sold how many fruits? 725 fruits. I hope I am clear.
I want you to practice the sum which are given to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you, class. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.